In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a modern hero section using HTML and CSS. If you enjoy tutorials like this, subscribe to DevFix for more. Inside the body, create a section element. Add a class attribute. Set the class value to hero. Inside the section, create a div element. Add a class attribute. Set the class value to hero content. Now create an H1 element. Type build. Type amazing. Type websites. Below the heading, create a paragraph element. Type learn how to create. Then type stunning hero sections. Finally, type with Flexbox. Next, create an anchor element. Add an ref attribute. Set the value to a hash symbol. Add a class attribute. Set the class value to btn. Inside the anchor element, type get started. Start with the universal selector. Set margin to 0. Set padding to 0. Set box sizing to border box. Now target the hero class. Set display to flex. Set flex direction to column. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set the height to 100 viewport height. Set the background property to royal blue. Set the color property to white. Set text align to center. Set the font family to Arial, sans serif. Set the padding property to 20 pixels. Now target the H1 element inside the hero section. Set the font size to 48 pixels. Set margin bottom to 20 pixels. Next, target the paragraph element inside the hero section. Set the font size to 18 pixels. Set margin bottom to 30 pixels. Now target the element with the class btn. Set the background property to white. Set the color property to royal blue. Set the padding property. 12 pixels on the top. 30 pixels on the right. 12 pixels on the bottom. 30 pixels on the left. Set the border radius to 30 pixels. Set text decoration to none. Set the font weight to bold. Your hero section is now complete and ready for any landing page. Subscribe to DevFix for more HTML and CSS tutorials.